how to allow or don't allow making changes to passcode and Face ID on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. Now from the main settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Screen Time. After that, we scroll down. Then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now scroll down and in the Allow Changes To section, tap on Passcode and Face ID. And on this screen here, you can choose Allow or Don't Allow. When you are making a change in here, it may ask you to enter in a screen time passcode. So put in a screen time passcode if it asks you. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.